So let's talk about a good remedy for leg cramps, especially at night. And the remedy is quinine bark. Now, I'm not talking about the synthetic version of quinine that you would need a prescription for. I'm talking about the actual bark, which contains a lot less of the active ingredient, quinine. Quinine bark, as a remedy for many things, has been around for hundreds and hundreds of years, until they found a way to make it synthetically. But the natural source of quinine is coming back simply because the resistance of microbes that are developing and the loss of effectiveness of the actual drug itself. But quinine bark has been used for malaria for a long time, parasites, viruses, decreasing fever, pain. It has the potential to regulate an abnormal heartbeat, atrial fibrillation, palpitations. It stimulates digestion. And if you're a medical professional watching this and you wanted to know the mechanism of what it does to regulate the heartbeat, it's right here. Okay? One of the biggest things that it can do is help someone with leg cramps at night. But typically I would only use this remedy after I've tried things like potassium and magnesium, which are electrolytes. But if that didn't work, this would be a really good, safe remedy. If you're a medical professional and you want to know why it works, I wrote it down right here exactly what it does at the neuromuscular junction level. And of course, like always, I'm not claiming this is going to cure you of anything. Check with your doctor before taking it, but you can pretty much find it from any health food store or online. Thanks for watching.
Hey, we're back.
With another amazing recipe.
No grains, no sugar, totally keto. There's no suffering in keto.
Absolutely not, Karen.
And it's an immune system builder.
Absolutely. You have to check this out.
I think you should hurry up, watch the recipe, and make it yourself. It's just so easy to be keto.
But is it simple?
It's super simple. We hope you enjoy making it as much as we are enjoying eating it.